Germany, a country steeped in history and brimming with cultural treasures, holds a plethora of hidden gems that evoke a profound emotional connection. Let's unravel the tapestry of lesser-known facets that make Germany not just a destination, but a captivating emotional journey. Beneath the vibrant surface of Berlin lies the poignant memorial to the murdered Jews of Europe. This vast field of 2,711 concrete slabs serves as a haunting reminder of the Holocaust's tragic legacy, inviting visitors to reflect on the depths of human suffering. Hidden in the lush landscapes of Göbekli Tepe, Germany harbors a mysterious archaeological site. These ancient stones, believed to be over 11,000 years old, speak in silent whispers, sharing stories of early human civilization and inviting contemplation on the passage of time. Heidelberg's iconic Studentenkase stands as a silent witness to the emotional turbulence of young hearts. This student prison, adorned with heartfelt graffiti, preserved the stories of students who faced imprisonment for their duels, a poignant testament to the passion and honor embedded in. Hidden away in the enchanting Spreewald region, visitors can explore an intricate network of canals lined with traditional wooden houses. The emotional connection to this tranquil oasis lies in its preservation of Sorbian traditions, allowing one to witness a culture that feels like a living breath. Dresden's Frankirch, meticulously reconstructed after the devastation of World War II, embodies the spirit of resilience. Its scarred stones speak volumes about the enduring human will to rebuild, a testament to the emotional strength embedded in the city's very foundation. The ethereal sounds of the Watzmannholb in Bavaria resonate with an emotional harmony. Its natural rock formation, resembling an organ, invites contemplation on the beauty of nature's music, a tranquil and soul-stirring experience for those fortunate enough to discover it. Leipzig, the city of music, holds a secret musical treasure in the form of the Bach Archive. This repository of Johann Sebastian Bach's life and work invites an emotional journey into the soul of classical music, leaving visitors with a profound connection to the maestro's genius. Tübingen's charming Neckarfront, with its pastel-hued buildings and meandering river, is more than a postcard-perfect scene. It resonates with the echoes of centuries, inviting those who stroll along its cobbled streets to immerse themselves in the emotions embedded in the city's timeless beauty. Teufelsberg, a man-made hill in Berlin constructed from the debris of World War II, stands as a symbol of rebirth. Today, it hosts an abandoned NSA listening station, a place where graffiti-covered radomes evoke a sense of eerie beauty, inviting contemplation on the remnants of history. Deep within the Hürtgen forest lies an emotional tapestry of wartime memories. The hidden remnants of bunkers and trenches serve as poignant reminders of the emotional toll of war, inviting visitors to tread softly and reflect on the human cost of conflict. In the heart of Germany's historical landscapes and vibrant cities lies a tapestry woven with emotion stories waiting to be discovered, felt, and cherished. These hidden marvels invite us to connect with the soul of a nation, leaving an indelible mark on the hearts of those who seek beauty within the depths of Germany's lesser-known treasures. For more interesting and informative videos, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.